everyone, this is Sandy. Today I would like to share with you our customization blue color KN95 mask machine. First of all, the speed is 100 to 120 pieces per minute. The whole machine adopts 13 pieces of Shinji servo motors and 4 pieces ultrasonics. And let's take a look at the finished sample. We can see the finished sample is a customization tab. The welding spot is customizable, and the ear loop, you can adjust the length as well. And we can see this mask is our standard KN95 mask. If you want to change other designs, we also can support. That's all for the finished sample introduction. Next, we will go to our machine introduction. First of all, let's take a look at our machine from the whole appearance. It's the blue color, our customization color. This is the heating area. This is our standard roller. If you want to the tension roller, we also provide. It's optional. And we can see here is the fabric reel. And each reel has a sensor. It's meant to detect the fabric. If there is no fabric, it will automatically stop production. And all the fabric, so here have 3 layers. Fabric will go from here, and the 2 more layers will go from the top. There is our nose pin rack. Here is the servo motor. It's meant to push the nose pin to this side, and this servo motor is push forward the nose pin inside the fabric, and this is the nose pin cutter. This is the mask mode. If you want to change the printance on the mask, you can change to this mask mode. If you want to change the size of the mask, you also need to change this mask mode rollers. And this is the nose pin sensor. It's meant to detect whether here got nose pin or not. If not, you will automatically stop production. And we can see all the machine paint with black color. This is our electrophoresis process. It's meant to prevent the steel to not get rust easily. This is the get roller. It's meant to get the fabric forward. And here we have a blue safety cover. Our whole ear loop welding station adopts 8 pieces of servo motors. Let's check in details. And 2 ultrasonic as well. And here we use an ultrasonic with 20K 2600 watts. And here we use 2 ultrasonics with 20K 2600 watts. And we can see here, this is meant to stretch the ear loop. And each clip has 1 servo motor. Total 4 clips. It means here total 4 pieces. And this servo motor is meant to drive the welding spot up and down. And this servo motor is meant to drive the clip up and down. And we can see here we have a air pressure fan. It's meant to cool down the welding head temperature to avoid the air loop will stick on the welding head. So it's very friendly design. Each welding head got one. So here still have one more, is inside this cable. And this yellow one is the gather roller as well. Here is our fabric. It's meant to, this is the folding part. It's meant to fold the fabric in half. And we have to make sure the middle line strictly follow the point. And we can see here have 3 languages to select. We also accept customization other languages. Here is the indicator lighters. And here, this part is our edge sealing part. We can see the changes. Here only have these lines. But after this process done, we can see here have a clear line like this. So it's meant to seal the edge to make the fabric together. And this side is customizable. Get the roller, and here is the cutter to cut the finished the fabric in shape. We can see here have clear lines. And this part is meant to adjust this position. If this we can see here we have 3 lines, and if here we found the result is 2 lines, that means you can adjust this part. Then the mask will be come out from here. We can connect the finished mask. This is the circle. This circle is meant to avoid there have mask didn't drop down. So once the fabric go here, if there have mask, it will automatically drop down from here. And here is the width connection. Here we use 2 servo motors and 1 ultrasonic with 15K 2600 watts. And here we use total 13 pieces of single servo motors. This is our nose pin rack. And that's all for the machine introduction. See you next time.